Hello, and welcome to 688 Sugar Tree Knob Road in Cannon County, Tennessee. This great home features over 1,600 square feet of living space with a large back deck and wired storage building. You'll love the extra large living area and kitchen with plentiful cabinets and counter space. The home consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Located only 5 miles north of Woodbury, Tennessee, and zoned for Woodbury Elementary School. This home is priced at $134,900. For more information, call Greg Goff at 615-653-0080 or visit online at www.GregoryGoffcom or online at www.SugarTreeKnobcom.